Ashley and we're in Los Angeles at Ashley's Extensions. Today we're going to be demonstrating how to install a Skin Weft extension method. Today we have Vicky. She's going to be our beautiful model, and let's get started. This is very simple. So what you're going to need, first of all, what you're going to need is have your client come with really clean hair, clarifying shampoo 2 or 3 times, no product, no anything. The goal is to have the hair as clean as possible so that the tape on the skin wefts will adhere to the client's hair optimally. Okay, so I've already parted her hair. You want to make a clean part, and what you're going to do is you've got your skin wefts. Okay, they've all got tape on the back. I haven't taken removing the backing off of this yet, but you want to remove the backing. And what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to get it in this area along this line. You're going to take a rat tooth comb and you're going to section off a small piece of hair. Okay, and you want to hold it taut. We're going to take the skin weft. We're going to lift that hair up, put the skin weft right under the parting, fold that hair over the skin weft. Okay, a very thin slice of hair. The goal is to not have it completely thick with hair, so that when you put your top skin weft on top of this one, that it makes a nice sandwich. Okay, so we're going to take our second skin weft. We're going to remove the backing. Okay, so sticky side, try not to touch this with your fingers. You don't want to ruin them with the oils from your hands. And we're going to match that up corner to corner, top to top. And we're going to press firmly. Make sure there's a nice tight seal. And this one's excellent for fine hair types. And that's how you do a skin weft. I'm Ashley, this is Vicky, and check us out at ashleysextensions.com, and remember to stay beautiful.